Hello and welcome to this how-to video by Barco Residential. Within this video I want to take you through factory resets within Prospector. The factory reset menu is located under the service menu. Here we can reset a number of parameters within the projector, and we can do this a couple of ways. The first is to reset all of the functions, which we can do via the top right hand button in the corner. This will reset everything as you'd expect. Or we can select specific functions and reset just those with the reset button. My preferred method, if I need to do a complete reset, is to select all of the functions rather than hitting just reset all. I would then uncheck the network, the image real color and the profiles. The reason for this being, if we set a static IP address, we don't want to lose connectivity to the projector. Likewise, if we set profiles up, which are essentially macros built within the projector, we don't want to lose those settings and have to recreate them and ensure they're named precisely as they were before so a control system can recall them. And finally, we don't wish to lose our calibration. So we always do this first and then hit reset. If that still doesn't resolve the issue, then we can take further steps and perhaps include network, image real color and profiles as part of the reset. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to select one component. By hitting reset, we'll get a pop-up menu confirming we want to do that action. Simply hit OK. The progress bar will go to 100. The page will refresh, confirming the reset's happened, and the reset's complete. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.